Is the other floor and Decor, Garden City. Have a two-way landing even though it's the lowest landing. So this works. This is an Orion MRL, listen. This is not the main floor. Beautiful. These are interesting buttons. Never felt these before. It's just a cheap piece of machinery. Absolutely lovely metal box. Has a two-way communication feature apparently.
First floor.
I'll hear what it sounds like the outside. So it's got a little two-way lantern there. Fire service on the wheelchair lift. Stupid elevator, that's it.